Hey everybody, good morning. It is super early. I haven't even had coffee. I'm feeling a little delirious right now. Who are you and where did you come from? I am your guardian angel of good thoughts. Thanks, I guess.
You are weak, Eric.
Seriously, how did you guys even get in my RV?
I am your inner bad idea demon.
Okay, I appreciate your enthusiasm, guys, but I got this. Just here to help you stay on track. Thanks. Again, I appreciate it, but seriously...
You're working too hard here. Have a nice frosty cold Coke.
Where did you even get that? I don't even keep unhealthy foods in the fridge. You don't need that sugar, Eric. Water is fine and you're doing well.
You didn't eat breakfast, so here's a nice frosty sprinkled donut.
Oh my gosh, it does look delicious. I mean, I can't let it just go to waste. It's not your cheat day. Stick to the program. You're doing well.
Shut up, angel of wussness. Eric is a slave. He can never resist those temptations.
He's doing really well, and he's getting fit. I actually do feel a lot better. My cravings are really minimal lately.
No one can resist the urge of overindulging.
It's possible to make these lifestyle choices, and you're doing well. It does look delicious. Maybe just one bite? I can handle it.
That's what she said. Nothing?
Maturity, demon.
You guys are wusses. I'm gonna go bug James instead.
You have a good head on your shoulders. Keep up the good work and ignore the haters. Thanks, creepy angel. So did I lose any weight this week? Weight is just a number. Don't worry about it. Thanks, that's really helpful, you know, and it... Seriously? Well, good morning, everyone. Just having fun. I'm feeling really good. I really am feeling good, despite still having a little bit of tickle from my bronchitis. I don't have any flu symptoms or anything. It's been a very rough week. It's been a crazy week. And like I said, despite a little bit of coughing, I'm doing good. Jax is feeling good. We got his vet appointment coming up soon. It is Weigh-In Wednesday officially here, week 3, the very beginning of week 3. And I feel fantastic. Let's waste no time at all. Let's do the weigh-in right now. All right, Scale. You don't like me and I don't like you, but we are going to get along today. Do you understand? Mr. Scaly Scale. Oh my gosh, 201.6. Holy cow. Holy cow, guys. That's like 8 pounds different than last week, just 6 days ago. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's what we'll do. Since I'm feeling so good, I'll flash some pictures up and we'll get some profile, see if I look any different. I feel different, but... So on December 31st, here's a side profile, hopefully with December 31st. Of course, I haven't seen it yet, but as I'm editing this, I'll find out. Wow, that's like 8 pounds! Yes! Oh, also worth pointing out, because people noticed on Facebook, I swapped out all the lights in the RV, so if it looks like I was tanner before, no, I had really orange lights in the RV. In fact, no, I switched those out too. I didn't leave any of the old ones. Oh, there's the old ones. Can you see? No, you can't see that. Yeah, like this. See how orange these lights were? This is how the whole RV was, and now they're this more natural white color, so... No, I didn't, lose all my tan or something, but wow! I love my scale again! Certainly, there could be a lot of factors at play here. I literally had the flu and bronchitis. I skipped several meals last week, but I didn't change my diet. I still ate healthy. I still did all of my workouts. And I made some other drastic changes to my diet and my routine. I have actually, this is day 5 now of official intermittent fasting. I have also changed the low carb to mildly low. The Atkins was like 25 carbs max a day. Right now I've added a couple other foods like carrots and some potatoes and some corn and some stuff that's a little higher in carbohydrates. Now I'm capping it right about 50 carbs a day. Okay, and that's, again, been 5 days. And the intermittent fasting is super easy for me. It is like the easiest thing I've ever done. I know, it scared the heck out of me, but I was already almost doing a 12 on, 12 off intermittent fasting the last few years anyway. When I wake up each morning, I just drink water and I have 1 cup of coffee until it's time for breakfast. And I try to hold off as long as possible. Noon, maybe even 1 p.m. When I finally have my first eggs and spinach meal, I just talk to my watch here and say, "Hey Siri, start a 6-hour countdown."
Okay, 6 hours and counting.
This is my window to eat. I'm going to reset that because it's not accurate, but I have 6 hours to enjoy food, so that's going to put me right around 6 or 7 p.m., and then cut it off. Again, only drinking water after that 6 hours is up. So I could extend it a little more if I needed to like 8 hours. 8 hours of eating and then 16 hours off. Is my math right? But right now, the 6 and 18 is working really well for me, and I'm happy with it. Obviously, I'm seeing some results for the very first time. I had no results the first week, and now all of a sudden, some huge changes. And I'm really happy, I'm feeling really confident, and all of a sudden I have this surge, and it's like, okay, look, the scale is finally agreeing with me. Okay, we're seeing some results, so that's good. I'm staying at a resort right now that has a fitness center, but the other big, huge news is I have something new here in the RV. On Amazon, I found a portable elliptical machine that folds up and is in the RV. I'm going to show you that right now. Yeah, so Eric, where are you storing an elliptical machine in an RV? Well, in the old bunk area. So I had considered putting a cat tree house here or an arcade game, and I had lots of ideas. But for right now, this is where the Sony elliptical is being stored. Underneath and to the side of the desk, by the way, is where I store the body boss and bars and equipments. And the elliptical actually is not even compact right now. I just leave it open because it fits there, but that bar comes out and this thing gets really, really skinny, but then it's going to be wobbling back and forth. So I don't even compact it down because it just fits there while I'm driving super well, right? The only thing I do is I fold these pedals in so that I don't kick them, but the pedals don't even need to be folded out either. So yeah, now that it's wide open exactly how it's using, I still cannot use it. Guess what? Because it raises me up too high and I hit my head right there. So I can't use it in this space. I do have to bring it out here. Which is not difficult or anything to do. Super easy. Just like that. Oh, it came with another piece. It came with this stomach support thing that goes in here, and then you'd rest your abdomen up against this, but it doesn't go back far enough. So I just took it off, and I don't need this piece. I generally use it facing north to south because it creates a lot less wiggle room in the RV with the stabilizer jacks. But just to demonstrate what it looks like from a side profile, I'm going to turn it sideways here. The main difference between this one and the one that's like over in the fitness center is it's way back here and the pedals move. Therefore, when these are going back and forth, they're actually going up and down on a normal elliptical, where this one it's just going back and forth, kind of like you're cross-country skiing. But for me, I have absolutely no problem working at my heart rate to about 145, 150, and I'll sweat my butt off like this. It's quiet. Super quiet, right? So, another tool I have in the RV, and I love it. So again, going back to my workout, that has not changed. I still have 4 days of weight training, resistance training with the Body Boss 2.0 system, where I do upper body, arms, abs and core, and legs. That's 4 days. And then 2 days of cardio mixed in between that. And my cardio is either going to be using the elliptical here at the fitness center, which is actually a really, really nice one that moves the pedals like a normal elliptical, or I'll do all of my elliptical workout here in the RV. So getting a good workout, sweating a lot, no matter what. Other than that, the diet, the intermittent fasting, and the elliptical that I brought in, and being sick, I guess that's actually a lot of changes. That does make it a little tricky because I want to be able, I'm keeping a journal and saying what I've eaten and what I've done and what's working. And right now I have this list of, I don't know whether it was mostly because I was sick or the intermittent fasting was the deal or switching from broccoli to carrots. I'm not exactly sure. I do eat a lot more carrots than I did volume-wise versus the broccoli. So, for now, all I can think of is to just stick with exactly what I'm doing and see what happens next week. Am I going to lose 8 pounds every single week? No, it is not going to be that way, because I'm still having a hard time grasping 8 pounds in 7 days. It just, well, really 6, because I'm filming this on Tuesday. It's just insane, crazy to me. But really makes me happy and positive, because I can do this. I know I can do this. I can continue on. This food is working great. Actually, it just reminds me, I did make another change to my cheat day, as I call it, or my indulge day, 1 day a week. And that is, I gotta keep the calories at 1,500 or lower. I have to. Yes, I can eat anything I want on that day, but I can't overdo it, okay? I can't order a whole pizza from Domino's. You know, I gotta watch the calories on my day off, my cheat day. I don't drink soda. I don't eat donuts, even on my day off. I'm cutting sugar completely out of my diet. I even found some flavored water that's still healthy. And the flavored water, even if you just add those little pouches of powdered normal water, it's like a treat. To me, it's the same as drink. I have absolutely no sugar withdrawals at all. No soda withdrawals at all. So that's good. I mean, I can't believe that. I can't believe that I can just almost quit soda cold turkey. Even though I did reduce it from like 7 a day to 1 for a year. But yeah, anyway, let's continue on this pace. I'm almost positive that I beat James this week, although, holy cow, I've been following him on Facebook. He's doing this hiking challenge to go with it. He's walking like 8 to 10 miles a day. I was like, holy, like hiking 8 miles. That's got to be helping him lose that last little bit of weight that he wants to lose. But me, I really, really am just excited to start dropping the pounds, and it motivates me. It really, really does. So, Jaxman, you're next, buddy. We got to go to the vet and get your weigh-in. He's maintained 26 pounds for a couple years now on his diet from the vet. Maintained, not lost a pound. I think he's lost 1 pound, but I will be filming some of that if they'll let me film it, and I'll be sharing with you some of Jax's results as well. But oh, big kitty yawns. Guys, take care. I'll see you next Weight Loss Wednesday weigh-in. Bye, guys.